everyone, welcome to the India's largest e-learning platform. How are you guys? कैसे आप लोग? It's a very important session, guys, because in this particular session I'm going to discuss what should be the job opportunity without GATE, because lots of people are basically thinking the GATE is the only the key of the success, my dear friend, but we have to know, right? Because we have received so many calls and messages regarding to the job opportunities. Sir, my GATE 2021 didn't get well, and sir, now my all the preparation level is basically wastage, और जितने भी मैंने preparation किया वो सब खराब हो गया. Sir, what should be the opportunity now? What to do? So my dear friend, I'm just giving you the idea. Whatever you have learned, that is going to be utilized. There is lots of opportunity without GATE exam also, and how we will achieve it, because the master stroke or what should be our target is to get a good job. So whatever you are going to get the job from the GATE, without GATE also there will be the huge opportunity. Even we can say that package of that company is also very good, right? Or sub PSU hai. I'm not talking about the, you can say that the private organization. I'm at this particular moment, I'm talking about the government job, my dear friend. So please share among all of your friends, right? Mayur, Swapnil, Jashwant, Leila, Ashish, everyone. Very less people are attending the session. Why it is happening? Because this is a special session designed for you, Swapnil. But before going to start this session, I just want to share some information about myself, my dear friend. My name is Chandan Jha. I have a 10+ years of teaching experience. I have cracked ISRO exam. I have done my masters into the communication and networks. Apart from the teaching, I am also taking the motivational session. I have already taken more than 200 motivational sessions in various engineering colleges, including NITs and IITs. संदीप, इसमें कितने अनएम्प्लॉय है? किसमें कितने अनएम्प्लॉय है संदीप भाई? Okay, Mayur, I'm fine. What about you? कैसे हो आप? Okay. One thing more, guys. Already February Mela is basically going on. Arpit, in this our session, in this GradeUp app, if you have, right, in the GradeUp app, you can win the exciting prize also. There will be the laptop, smartphone, MI band, or that is the scooty. You have to do what? ये सब आपके पास हमारे ऐप के ऊपर ये सारे प्राइजेस अवेलेबल है. आप इसके अंदर पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं और यू कैन विन द एक्साइटिंग गिफ्ट ऑल्सो. Super duper, that's great. Okay guys, one thing more I want to share, that is the new batch starts from the 9th of the Feb. Already it has been started. That is called Vision 2022. This is the special design batch for those students who are in the second year and the third year and wish to GATE exam. This is the dedicated course for the ESE as well as for the GATE exam, right? What should be the specialty of this particular course, my dear friend? 850 plus. Even in the electronics it is 850. For the electrical it may be the 900, more than 900. For the civil also the more than 950 hours extensive class. 8,000 plus practice questions, 100 plus mock test, 120 plus chapter wise study notes will provide you. Sir, very thank you so much. The content is this type of session which is more useful for us. Definitely thank you, Rishi, Amrit, Bharat. Sir, my name is Bharat Kumar. Now I am studying the 4th year. I want to 1 year gap for the GATE. No issues, Bharat. 1 year gap you can easily cover up. No issues. मेरा क्या मानना होता है everyone कि अगर एक कदम पीछे बढ़ने से अगर आप 2 कदम आगे बढ़ते हो तो 1 कदम पीछे बढ़ना अच्छा है, right? So everyone try to understand these two opportunity. Everybody knows about that, right? But apart from this, I will give you the lots of we can say that the idea about the job opportunity also, my dear friend. This is the all about all the people basically knows about this one, that is called ISRO. He is taking or recruiting without GATE, my dear friend, without GATE. Pay scale, already you guys are basically aware about that, without GATE. Sir, what should be the syllabus of this? मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, whatever you have learned for the preparation of the GATE exam, that is you going to utilize in this particular exam also, because the syllabus of the ISRO and the BARC is almost going to be similar. Yes, Jaswant, it is, this session is for all the student, right? All the student. It is not only for the electrical and electronics, everywhere. If you want to, for the civil, the ISRO is very less vacancy, or sometime it is not coming the vacancy. But my dear friend, especially for the mechanical, electrical, electronics, even for the computer science student, this is a very important, my dear friend. The ISRO syllabus lies between the ESE, in the middle of the ESE and GATE. So if you have prepared the GATE, only the few subject extra you have to prepare. आपने जो पढ़ा है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन है. Apart from this, you have to do the a little bit more effort, and you will select into ISRO also. Scientist इसका मजा ही कुछ और है. सर ISRO CS का नोटिफिकेशन कब आएगा? इस ISRO CS का भी नोटिफिकेशन बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है. Even in the March first week we can expect, right? When to बोला महेश अभी नोटिफिकेशन रिलीज नहीं हुई है, but definitely whenever the notification will release, the tentative is the March, right? Tentative, but maybe we can expect in the first week or the second week of the March, but it is a short the ISRO vacancy will come. Already we know that in the BARC every year, right? Every year the BARC recruitment is also coming, and there will be the two process. If you want to get the selected into the BARC, there will be the two process, my dear friend. One process, yes. Faisal, I will discuss about the UP PCL also. No issues. Do not get the nervousness, my dear friend. Whatever you have learned, that is going to utilize, and that is going to be helpful into the some other exam also, right? All pathway is the same for the every exam, right? Okay. अब देखो मेरे भाई श्री गोपाला. Yes, from the BARC and ISRO exam is going to be start from the 18th. Already we have planned for the 17th on this month, right? 17th we are going to discuss about the idea कि how to prepare, what should be the syllabus, what is our study plan, how the grade up is going to be grade up is going to help you in the ISRO and BARC. Apart from this, from the month of from the 18th of this month, right, in the Feb 18th, we are starting a very dedicated series for the BARC as well as for the ISRO. That is for the computer science also, Meera. Okay. And BARC also, the syllabus is similar to the syllabus to the GATE syllabus, right? Nothing more than that, my dear friend. Apart from this, lots of people, if you are from the core sector, core means what? If you are EC, electronics, or if you are from electrical, or if you are from civil or mechanical, you have a great opportunity in the terms of ESE also, my dear friend. In the first time it is happening. And what is happening in the first time, my dear friend? First time ऐसा हो रहा है कि UP PSC, that is the engineering services examination, have a basically large time we are getting. राइट ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम से इसकी अपॉर्चुनिटी आ गई है. वी हैव अ 4 month टाइम टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द ESE. ऑलरेडी व्हाट यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द गेट एंड ESE इज गोइंग टू बी यूटिलाइज. जस्ट अ मिनट गाइस, आप लोगों के कमेंट रुक गए. यस, नाउ व्हाट एवर यू हैव लर्न फॉर द गेट प्रिपरेशन, गेट के ड्यूरेशन में जितनी भी चीजों को आपने सीखा है वो सारी चीजें आपको यूटिलाइज करेगी, हेल्प करेगी टू प्रिपेयर ऑन दैट. एंड द 4 month, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 4 month इज रिमेनिंग. दैट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर यू. जुलाई 18th July is the date for the exam for the UPSC, that is called ESC. One thing more, people are basically saying, sir, GATE preparation can apply for the Texas instrumentation. Yes, of course, why not? Texas is also देखो, GATE is a basically very premium organization, we can say that the exam, even if you are getting the very less GATE score, everyone try to understand, even you are getting the very less score card, but if you'll apply into the private sector, definitely they will give you the priority on it. So GATE का तो है, but apart from this, if you are not going to write the GATE exam, then also there will be the lots of opportunity there. What about the CSE student? Dharni, for the CSE student, if you want, you can apply in the any of the one branches, but it is not useful for you. So I am giving you the other opportunity also, apart from the UPSC. ये जो मैंने आपको UPPSC का इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में जो मैं बता रहा हूं, दिस इज फॉर द स्पेशली फॉर दीज 4 branches. इफ यू आर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांच, अगर आप इसके अलावा भी किसी भी और ब्रांच से हैं, तो यू कैन अप्लाई ओनली, आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. इवन आई नो द few student who has from the IT branch and they have qualified the ESC in the EC. But at this particular moment, I am not suggesting you, because the syllabus of the ESC is very large, very vast, and 4 months is very less, we can say that, to cover up entire topic of the ESC. So I'm at this particular moment, I'm suggesting only for those students who are belongs to EC, write the EC paper, who belongs to electrical, write the electrical paper, who belongs to civil, write the civil paper, who belongs to mechanical, write the mechanical paper. Apart from this, for the CSE, that is called computer science student, I will tell you the more information regarding to the other PSU's recruitment also. ये तो मैंने क्या क्या बता दिया. ISRO and BARC, these are the 2 vacancy they are taking apart from the GATE exam. One is called ESC. Apart from the ESC, everyone, right, apart from the ESC, if you want to discuss the BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited, right, Bharat Electronics Limited, if you want to discuss, अगर मैं B उसकी बात कर लेता हूं, everyone try to understand. ओके, just give me 1 minute guys. Okay, apart from this, if you want to discuss about the next one, कि sir BEL is also taking the or recruiting without GATE exam, right? Without GATE exam, my dear friend. So if you have well prepared and syllabus is similar to the what? The syllabus is similar to the GATE syllabus. So आप लोगों ने जितनी भी प्रिपरेशन करी है, आप लोगों ने जितना भी प्रिपरेशन किया है, वो सारे प्रिपरेशन आप लोगों के बहुत ही काम का है. और ये मत सोचो कि आप लोगों का जो प्रिपरेशन है वो बेकार हो गया और इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी यूटिलाइज, राइट? और एक बच्चे को मैं बता दूं कौन है वो, ओके, जसवंत अंकुर नर्मदा सर. हाय सर, आई joined the session late. How can I get the recording for this video? Narmada, it is already available in the recording for that particular video also, so no worry about that. One thing more, the third year student are eligible for UPSC notification. No, Jashwant, only in the final year. If you are in the final year, then you are able to or you can appear on that particular exam. Okay. Apart from this, NILET already in this year बहुत से लोगों को NILET के बारे में पता चल गया, especially for the CSE student, CS computer science, especially for the computer science, CS, IT and electronics. First time it is happening. जब कोविड की सिचुएशन चल रही थी तो पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि इसकी अपॉर्चुनिटी NILET जो एग्जाम है वो 2 times बेसिकली अपीयर, और वैकेंसी भी अच्छी खासी वैकेंसी थी NILET की. अभी तक लोगों की दूसरी जगह की जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी का पता नहीं चल रहा था, बट फर्स्ट टाइम इट इज हैपनिंग दैट द फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर CS, IT एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कोविड सिचुएशन में 2 times वैकेंसी निकाल दी है, 2 times. सो दिस ईयर ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू बी थिंक लाइक दैट कि NILET की वैकेंसीज निकलेगी. सो एंड द सिलेबस इज सिमिलर टू द वॉट एवर यू हैव लर्न फ्रॉम द गेट सिलेबस. यस, फॉर द BEL एज वेल एज फॉर द BHL, भारत हैवी इलेक्ट्रिकल लिमिटेड, ये दोनों क्या हुए थे प्यारे दोस्तों? एवरीवन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. समहाउ प्रीवियसली इट इज टेकिंग थ्रू द गेट, but from the last to last year it is basically removed from the gate and they are taking the own their exam, right? BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited and BHEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. फाइनल ईयर है तो NILET में, अंकुर फाइनल NILET के लिए तो यार पास आउट होना जरूरी है, राइट? ओके सर, ESC की एप्लीकेशन क्लोज नो? यस श्रीमा, अभी तक मेरे ख्याल से क्लोज नहीं हुआ है. एक बार सर्च कर लीजिएगा इसका थोड़ा सा. सर एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द ऑटोमोबाइल स्टूडेंट, शक्ति इन द ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री फॉर द कोर सेक्टर इफ यू वांट टू डिस्कस, देन दे आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम they are thinking you are from the mechanical, because automobile industry is the parent branch is the mechanical, automobile is the basically child branch for that. Okay, for civil guidance, yes निखिल, सिविल के लिए भी और मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर फॉर मैकेनिकल के लिए भी बता रहा हूं NILET. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अब जैसे कि सिविल और मैकेनिकल की बात चल रही थी, तो वन थिंग मोर गाइज, एवरीवन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया ऑलवेज इट इज रिक्रूटिंग थ्रू द विदाउट गेट. इसका कोई गेट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. दे हैव देयर ओन एग्जाम, राइट? स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, कोल इंडिया लिमिटेड फॉर द सिविल, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम द इवन फ्रॉम द सिविल ऑल्सो, राइट? कोल इंडिया लिमिटेड, ये पहले गेट के थ्रू लेती थी, बट नाउ दे आर टेकिंग देयर ओन एग्जाम, माय डियर फ्रेंड. सो कोल इंडिया लिमिटेड, सेल, राइट? दीज 2 वैकेंसीज ऑल्सो बेसिकली कमिंग विदाउट अ गेट एग्जाम. Shift for the mining, if you want to discuss, there will be the lots of government in the mining. Very less people are basically coming from the mining branch shift. So definitely in the mining also more vacancy. Central mining जो है उससे regarding vacancy निकलती है, और माइनिंग की और भी बहुत सारी वैकेंसीज है. इवन आई एम लिविंग इन द उदयपुर, आई नो दैट व्हाट शुड बी द रोल ऑफ द माइनिंग. देयर इज द लॉट्स ऑफ वैकेंसीज इन द नियर टू मी आल्सो, राइट? हाउ टू अप्लाई दिस सर? शिवा, इनकी वैकेंसी निकलेगी. यू हैव टू, द ग्रेडर विल गिव यू द आइडिया अबाउट हाउ व्हेन द नोटिफिकेशन विल कम फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपनीज एंड हाउ टू फिल इट. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. हर एक चीज की इंफॉर्मेशन आप तक अच्छे तरीके से पहुंचाते रहेंगे मेरे भाई. सर कोल पहले अपना एग्जाम ही लेती थी, बट फिर उन्होंने गेट से लेना डिसाइड कर दिया. आई थिंक उन्होंने ट्वीट किया था. हाँ विशाल, और अभी फिर से बीच में 2 साल उन्होंने कोल इंडिया ने गेट के थ्रू लिया था और फिर से सेपरेट भी हो गया है. यस विनीला, देयर विल बी द ब्रांच वाइज वैकेंसी. इनकी कोई फिक्स्ड नहीं होती है वैकेंसी, बट यस एवरीवन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर विल बी द नो फिक्स्ड वैकेंसी, बट they will release their notification in which the every year they have the some separate vacancies for the separate branch. For example, if you want to discuss about the sale, maybe for the electrical student around 80 vacancy, maybe for the mechanical student around 60 vacancy, maybe from the civil branch you can fill around 32 vacancy. So like this, and especially if you are from the civil branch, my dear friend, people are basically talking about the civil. अगर मेरे से पूछोगे ना तो ESC जो है ना मेरे भाई, ये मेनली बना ही सिविल के लिए, because how much power actually you are thinking for the engineering services examination, that power is basically utilized by the civil engineers more as compared to electronics, right? क्योंकि ये सिविल में जो पावर होता है ना, whenever you are dealing with the customer deal, जहां भी होता है, you have to show your power also. So in the civil engineering mainly, and vacancies also, इलेक्ट्रिक और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की कंबाइंड कर दो, उससे ज्यादा राइट वैकेंसी स्पेशली इन द सिविल के अंदर निकलती है. सो अगर कोई बोलता है ना मेरे से ESC बोले तो सिविल, राइट? ओके. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस गाइस, अब इतना ही नहीं, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देयर विल बी द मोर वैकेंसीज आल्सो माय डियर फ्रेंड. वन इज कॉल्ड वैजाग स्टील. Already we know that in the last year also the one vacancy basically released in the Vizag, especially for the mechanical or civil, right, and for the electrical. Civil में इतनी नहीं आई थी, so mainly for the mechanical and electrical student. Vizag Steel. Previously also the vacancy in the grade up YouTube पे हमने एक सीरीज भी स्टार्ट की थी. We have started the one series especially for the mechanical and electrical, that is Vizag Steel. Apart from this, NLC India, already we guys are aware of NLC India. Computer science is also eligible for that, right? Computer science is also. सबके फॉर्म आएंगे, सबके आएंगे, इसी साल आएंगे. आपको बस थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस रहने की जरूरत है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, NFL नेशनल फर्टिलाइजर लिमिटेड, NFL नेशनल, राइट, विजाग स्टील नाउ प्राइवेट. सर हाँ देखो, अभी इसका प्राइवेट के बारे में हम अभी ज्यादा मैं इस चीज के बारे में डिस्कशन नहीं कर रहा हूं. Already Bhargav, I have taken the one session regarding to the privatization of the PSUs, right? But at this particular moment, I am not talking about the privatization. The more concern is the job rather than the privatization. सर गेट ना करके ESC की प्रिपरेशन करे तो हाँ कर सकते हो, बहुत सारे लोग करते भी हैं. संजना कंप्यूटर साइंस के लिए बताया ना बेटा, NLC बताया था आपको NALET के बारे में बता चुका हूं. ये दोनों तो निकलते ही उसी के लिए. ओके. Apart from NFL, National for ये especially for the civil branch, civil, mechanical, right? Civil, mechanical, National Fertilizer Limited. NFL is also one company. They are recruiting without gate, my dear friend. They are recruiting without gate. Sir, what about HPCL? यार देखो, HPCL, BPCL, अभी मैंने पूरा सबकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, बिकॉज देयर विल बी द सम एम्बिग्यूटी वेदर द HPCL इज गोइंग टू टेक देयर ओन एग्जाम और इट इज गोइंग टू बी गेट रिक्रूटिंग थ्रू द गेट ओनली. सो एम्बिग्यूटी के बारे में कुछ डिस्कशन नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं. नॉर्मली जिनके बारे में बता रहा हूं जो शॉर्ट है, जिनका अलग ही पेपर होगा, राइट? ओके. वन थिंग मोर गाइस, इंजीनियर्स इंडिया लिमिटेड इन द लास्ट, पहले ये खुद का अलग से पेपर लेती थी, right? Engineers India Limited, but after some time what happened in the Engineers India Limited, they are recruiting without gate also, my dear friends. So this is a very very important for that. For civil, gate ना करके ESC प्रिपरेशन करे तो कौन सा बेनिफिशियल रहेगा? राज यार देखो, अगर मैं सिविल के लिए बात करूं ना तो टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, आप अपने सारे किसी भी फैकल्टी से पूछेगा, सिविल में ESC का अलग ही माहौल है मेरे भाई, जो आपको गेट में नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आप सिविल से अगर आप ESC का एग्जाम निकाल देते हो तो विश्वास करेगा, आप अपने आपके जो अगल बगल के एटमॉस्फेयर होंगे ना, जो आपके दोस्त होंगे, उससे लगभग 6 से 8 साल आप आगे बढ़ चुके होंगे. तो ये बहुत ही बड़ी सोच है. बट आई एम जस्ट सजेस्टिंग यू, डू नॉट गो ओनली फॉर द ESC की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो. पर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अगर आपकी इलेक्ट्रिकल में भी अगर आपके कोई PSU भी निकल जाता है तो क्या बुरा है, राइट? सर इज इंपैक्ट फॉर EWS ऑन द PSU कट ऑफ वेरी लेस, अनुप्रिया, वेरी लेस, राइट? ओके. उत्कर्ष सर, अभी अपकमिंग रिक्रूटमेंट के बारे में बता दीजिए प्लीज. NLC का पहले ही हो गया, कट ऑफ भी बहुत हाई था. बिल्कुल, NLC का फिर से भी तो निकला था साक्षी. ओके. HPCL आज एग्जाम कराता है, बिल्कुल. अब देखो एक बार, द पावर कॉर्पोरेट, एवरीवन, UPPCL. अगर मैं बात करूं, मेरा एक दोस्त है, एवरीवन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, there is one my friend who has already working as a ESC officer from electrical branch is also already working as a ESC officer After that, they have wrote the paper of the UPPCL AE assistant engineer. He selected on that. After that, he left that ESE job and he joined the UPPCL. It means you can feel how much the powerful that job is, UPPCL. And the beauty of this job is every year the UPPCL is basically recruiting through their own exam. It is not related to the GATE, my dear friend. But what should be the syllabus? Syllabus is similar. So I'm just giving you the idea, my dear friend, whatever you have prepared, right, for the GATE exam, that is 100% is going to be utilized into the some other exam also. You have prepared like this. Suppose itne level tak aap prepare kar chuke ho, right? From here it is a 0 and it is your GATE, right? How much? Maybe possible for the ESE it is like this. Maybe possible some of the exam is little bit like this. But you have to extend a little bit. Only the 5 or 10% addition will give you the idea or will crack that particular exam, my dear friend. Whether you are thinking about the ISRO or you are thinking about the ESE or you are thinking about the other PSUs, right? Okay. Apart from this, there will be the one another also, everyone. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी अलग अलग वैकेंसी है. व्हाट इज दैट? वेस्ट बंगाल पावर कॉर्पोरेशन डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड, ये भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. एंड वन थिंग मोर आई वांट टू शेयर, फॉर द एवरी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड इज बेसिकली टेकिंग द रिक्रूटमेंट विदाउट गेट. वेदर यू आर टेकिंग अबाउट लाइक दिस और तमिलनाडु, राइट, केरला केपीटीसीएल, राइट, तमिलनाडु इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड जो होता है केपीटीसीएल, इन द राजस्थान दैट इज कॉल्ड RVNL, Rajasthan Vidyut Nigam Limited, RVNL, just like it is a AVNL also, sometimes it is referred as the AVNL also. These all electricity board are basically taking the they are recruiting without gate, my dear friend, without gate. And they have the vacancies for the civil also, very less vacancy even for the civil also. Okay, JENCO also there, yes, JENCO also, Ankur, yes, JENCO also for engineers, yes sir. फॉर्म कब निकलेगा, ये सब मैं आपको पूरी हेल्प करूंगा कि कब फॉर्म निकलेगा इन द एवरीथिंग, माय डियर फ्रेंड. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देयर विल बी द वन थिंग मोर. स्टेट लेवल गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो रिक्रूटिंग, माय डियर फ्रेंड. स्टेट लेवल, राइट, in the state level also lots of vacancies basically coming who are recruiting without GATE exam, right? Acha, apart from this there will be the one Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL, a government of Indian enterprises, Delhi Metro. Apart from this there will be the UP Metro also, right? UP Metro. There will be the in the Hyderabad. So there will be the lots of metro project is also going on, and that in that project also they are recruiting by their own exam, my dear friend. So everyone try to understand. Do not think कि sir whatever we are getting it is sufficient और gate खत्म हो गया तो जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गई. No, it is not like that. Lots of opportunity coming. राइट सर, ESC और इसरो की मैराथन क्लासेस कब स्टार्ट होगी? लीना, इसरो की मैराथन क्लासेस और ESC का भी, ये दोनों ही 18th के आसपास से शुरू होगा. इसरो का तो फिक्स है 18th से शुरू होगा. आई एम गिविंग यू द आइडिया. इसरो एंड बार्क, द सीरीज इज गोइंग टू बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 18th of Feb ऑन ग्रेड अप इम्पल्स चैनल, GRADE, grade up impulse, as well as in the app also, impulse channel, as well as in the app also, my dear friend. Impulse channel as well in the app, in the both it will be starting, it is going to be start. And on the 17th we are going to discuss about the syllabus, how to crack it, right? What should be the syllabus, what should be the weightage, how to prepare for the ESC, like that. Vam Krishna, paid course at this particular moment we are not thinking about the paid course. Maybe possible the later on they will start the paid course, but I am talking about the YouTube, that is the free series. Free. Already in the marathon also we are taking the free series, right? Okay. Delhi Metro. Everyone try to understand. Vision 22 for the CSE. Sahil already started from the 9th. From 15th Feb. Sahil 15th तो खत्म हो गया बेटा. Okay. Now everyone try to understand whatever we have learned ना, आपको क्या चीज पता चला कि whenever you have prepared for the anything, the journey is the basically same. You do not have to stop the journey, because I know that 90% of the people are not going to get the any job or any desired job or anything. Why? Because they have stopped thinking, they have stopped making the effort, my dear friend. You have to do, whenever you want to achieve the anything, you have to make the effort in the continuation. Whenever you stop your effort, definitely you are not going to good. you are not going to get the job. UPPSL for civil, स्वप्निल UPPSL नहीं आता है, पर इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी आती है. In the PSC also, PSC, right? Diploma college, you can say that in the diploma college that will be recruited by their own exam. Diploma college assistant professor job also, right? जिसको टीचिंग में जाना है, इनकी भी अलग अलग वैकेंसी, स्टेट वाइज वैकेंसी बेसिकली कमिंग. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज अराइजेस, सर व्हाट शुड बी द सिलेबस? नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज अराइजेस, सर व्हाट शुड बी द सिलेबस? Again, my dear friend, whatever you have learned, that is sufficient for you, my dear friend. Whatever you have learned, that is sufficient for you. You have to make the continued effort. You have to be motivated. By the one exam, our life is not going to be ruined, right? एक एग्जाम के खराब होने से आपकी जिंदगी बर्बाद नहीं होने वाली है. जिंदगी में ऐसा नहीं कि जिसने खाली गेट निकालना वही सक्सेसफुल हुए, बाकी के लोग सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुए. बस आपको एक चीज पे ध्यान रखना है, कंटिन्यू एफर्ट यू हैव टू मेक. That is essentially required, my dear friend. If you will stop your effort, you are not going to get the anything. If you will make the continued effort, definitely you will get the whatever you want, right? Okay. कौन सा कॉलेज? सुप्रिया, स्टेट लेवल पे होते हैं ना डिप्लोमा के, राइट? डिप्लोमा के स्टेट लेवल के जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब होते हैं, वो भी स्टेट लेवल पे के होते हैं और वो धीरे धीरे वैकेंसी निकलते रहते हैं इसके, राइट? कॉलेज वाइज कॉलेज. Sir, wanted to join the IIT or NIT, please guide for more. Apart from this, everyone, what we have discussed, यहां पर मैंने देखो कितने सारी आपको जॉब, and even I have not given the complete idea about that. You can feel around, believe me, more than 50 plus companies, maybe that is the government or good organization, they are taking without gate, my dear friend. I will take the one session in which the complete idea, maybe that will be the branch wise session we will take, in which we'll give you the complete idea regarding to that. Apart from this, there will be the one more session we are going to do. Lots of people are basically going to think regarding to MTech also, my dear friend. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग ये सोचते होंगे कि sir I want to do the MTech, but my gate score is not good. We are not getting the gate score good or gate rank good. So everyone, we are taking the one session also in which I will give you the idea, complete analysis, complete idea regarding to how, or we can say that MTech without gate. MTech without gate, my dear friend. Just like BITS Pilani is going to be take the admission without gate. So your dream will come true. Don't worry, even the gate is not going, you are not getting the good gate score. राइट? आपकी जो ड्रीम है वो आपको नीचे मिलेगी, 100% मिलेगा. जरूरत है तो अभी उम्मीद रखने की, कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप करने की. मातम नहीं मनाना मेरे भाई, जिंदगी में बर्बाद नहीं हुआ है, अभी बहुत कुछ हमारे सामने बाकी है. सर इसरो और बार का फॉर्म कब तक आएगा? मार्च में आएगा जीवन. सर एग्जांपल इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन एंड फ्यू मोर टेक्निक. यस जतिन, डेफिनेटली इलेक्ट्रिक मशीन इनका भी चलेगा. उत्कर्ष सर स्पेशली मैकेनिकल के लिए सेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है, cause most unemployment people are in the mechanical. No Utkarsh, that is in the electronics also, right? उत्कर्ष 503 स्कोर में IIT मद्रास MS मिल जाएगा. देखो उत्कर्ष, इसका अभी कमिटमेंट हम नहीं कर सकते, एक बार आंसर की आपका रिस्पॉन्स शीट आने दीजिए. आफ्टर दैट विल टेक द ऑथेंटिकेट डेटा, विल प्रोवाइड यू. ओके सर, इट्स पॉसिबल टू करेक्ट द गेट 2024 द मैकेनिकल इफ आई स्टार्ट माई प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम द टुडे. डेफिनेटली किशु, वाई नॉट. BTech percentage is 60. How to get the government job without gate? Manoj, if your BTech percentage is 60, it's sometime it is very, very critical. But try to understand, if you are thinking about the ESC na, then minimum percentage 55% is required. और आपके 60 है, you have a 5% extra, whatever the basically required. So don't worry. Our in the education system, everything is basically designed in such a manner, right? Everybody will get something. Don't worry. Response sheet date. आशुतोष, फॉर द रिस्पॉन्स शीट डेट इफ यू वांट टू डिस्कस आफ्टर द 7 डेज हम बोलते हैं, यानी 15th को खत्म हुआ, 14th को, सो आफ्टर 20th, अराउंड 20th वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट. उससे पहले ही आ जाएगा, 20th से पहले ही आ जाएगा. टाटा स्टील ऑल्सो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, वन थिंग मोर आई वांट टू राइट एवरीवन. टाटा स्टील से याद आया, टाटा स्टील दे आर प्राइवेट बट दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, Jindal, and they are also taking the admission, or they are recruiting without gate, my dear friend. इनका खुद का एक पेपर होता है, टाटा स्टील, जिंदल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देयर विल बी द सम पावर, मैं भूल गया, एक पावर मिनिस्ट्री का भी एक प्रोग्राम होता है. इन द पावर मिनिस्ट्री ऑल्सो देयर विल बी द वन प्रोग्राम इन विच दे आर टेकिंग देयर ओन एग्जाम. आफ्टर दैट 1 year certification they will provide you, that will provide you government all itself, right? गवर्नमेंट ही करवाता है. 1 year program, and after that they have placed. So there will be the lots of opportunity, my dear friend, right? Yes, एक और बच्चे ने बताया, संजना ने बताया, बहुत ही बढ़िया, केंद्रीय विद्यालय, केंद्रीय विद्यालय also taking their own exam, right? केंद्रीय विद्यालय there will be the own exam, बहुत ही बढ़िया. केंद्रीय विद्यालय की भी खुद का एग्जाम होता है. there will be the opportunity. Lots of students are basically filling, engineers are basically filling that exam, right? Their own exam, right? Even it is for the computer science also. L&T is also there. L&T is also there. Larsen Tubro. Without ESC gate score, suggest some government jobs. My CGPA 8.79 without ESC. In what already we have discussed so many. You can watch this session later on also. You can think there will be the lots of opportunity I have discussed. A few ESC subject not covered in the Vision 2022. बहुत already showing completed. No, Jatin, it is starting from this month only. In the 2021. ESC subject is going to be start from already they have discussed advanced electronics, advanced communication. This is going to be covered in this particular month, right? So my branch is production and industrial. Production is also taking, the parent branch is mechanical. So in the PSU there will be the very less vacancy from the production industrial. But if you are eligible as a mechanical engineer also, so you can feel there will be lots of opportunity. Ask the SSC JEE. SSC JEE, yes, fill कर सकते हो. Avinash, why not? Why not? Sir, mission ISRO. Is there is a mission ISRO? Yes, Ramya. Sir, I am at NIT MTech. What should I do for the future? If you are getting the good opportunity, then fine. If you are not getting the good opportunity, then you have to do one thing. You have to continue preparation through. There will be the various scheme for the PhD, just like a Vishwasaraya. If you want to take the admission through the Vishwasaraya, then you will get around 45K as a scholarship. If you Pradhan Mantri education program, then you will get around 75,000 as a scholarship. This is the salary people are basically expecting, and you will get the job of this approximately, right? So आप अपनी continuation preparation कर सकते हो. Sir, few subjects covered Vision 2020 batch, but covered showing the already. No issues, Jatin, that will be the covered. No issues. Does CGPA matter in the exam like an interview? No, Aditya. That will be the not matter. That will be the matter only for the written, whether you are eligible for or not. Suppose any exam is basically giving the idea about the 60% is eligible for that, and you are getting 99%, then also you are in the same position or whatever the people are basically at the 60%. So this is only for the screening. Sir, please take the lecture on the mechanical recruitment and the government. Definitely, Jitu, I will take care of this. I will take the separate section for that. Sir, please make the PDF of the company who recruit. Bikram, that is a good idea. I will talk to team and very soon we'll upload that PDF also regarding to the company recruitment. बहुत ही बढ़िया आपने बोला. Even with the date also. कि कौन से कंपनी, not exact date, with the tentative date from the last 5 years we can analyze कि कंपनी के कौन कौन सी डेट पे आती है. So we can give you no issue. Sir, IIT गांधीनगर का कट ऑफ कितना होता है CSC के लिए? यार IIT गांधीनगर का 600 के आसपास गेट स्कोर होगा, 600 650 के आसपास. PDF computer science also. Okay, definitely. I have given the GATE CSC 2021. Now we don't need to apply. Now where do I need to? Megha, that will be, we will take care of the separate session, right? Regarding to the complete analysis for the 2020. First take the response sheet. First let the response sheet will come out. Then we'll discuss. Okay, NIC कब आएगा? NIC अभी चल ही रहा है बेटा एक कोर्स, तो बाकी के NIC का भी बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है NLC का. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this session. Opportunity DRDO if you want to discuss, everyone. I have not mentioned here the DRDO. Even I have mentioned the ISRO and BARC. Why? Because even the DRDO taking their own exam. Even the DRDO is taking their own exam. But DRDO first is screening through GATE. After that, it means after that, people who are selected, they are selecting the few people through the GATE. After that, there will be the conventional paper. Conventional paper. After the conventional paper, there will be the interview. So these is the process. So even there will be the conventional paper, written paper are there, but the primary they are selecting through the GATE score. That's why I am saying that the DRDO is recruiting through the GATE, right? पर इस बार कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? Okay. इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन सर IIT रुड़की का कट ऑफ, यार मयूर ये थोड़ा सा वेट करो, भी बता दूंगा. देवा, ओके. सो गाइज थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, DRDO में CSC वाले अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल मीरा, क्यों नहीं, DRDO वाले भी कर सकते हैं और बहुत से लोग करते भी हैं. सर विच गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम इज द प्रिपेयर फॉर द आफ्टर द विच government job I prepared for the after the mechanic. Tushal, I have already given the idea. DRDO, BARC, ISRO, VISAG is still there. There are lots of. DRDO 137 तो अभी तक नहीं है. अरे कुलदीप कैसी बातें करो बहकी भाई. नोट तुम कहां रह रहे हो कुलदीप मेरे भाई. डीआरडीओ की जो वैकेंसी आई थी उसके थ्रू जो लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर का आई थी उसके थ्रू रिक्रूटमेंट हो भी गए, मेडिकल भी सबमिट हो गया, कुछ लोगों का पोस्टिंग भी आना शुरू हुआ. टॉक टू योर टीम, अपने दोस्तों से बात करो, बिकॉज आई नो फ्यू पीपल हु हैव ऑलरेडी सेलेक्टेड इन द डीआरडीओ एंड नाउ दे हैव गॉट द जॉइनिंग लेटर लेटर ऑल्सो. Okay guys, so thank you very much. See you into the next session. There we will discuss the separate session for the specific branch wise. Till that, thank you very much. और एक चीज मैं बता दूं, घबराना नहीं है. Whenever you will get the frustration na, then definitely you are not going to get anything. Be cool, my dear friend. Be cool. Believe me, a lot of I know one people. I'm sharing the name of that student also. That is called Abhishek, who has got 9,000 rank, around 9,000 rank into the GATE exam. After the 9,000 he is not going to get anything, and nowadays he is in ESC officer. He is actually ESC officer working in the into the railway right now in the Mumbai. So मुंबई में रेलवे के अंदर जॉब कर रहे हैं. IAS क्वालिफाई किया है, जिनका गेट के अंदर 9,000 स्कोर था. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात. जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो सकता है मेरे भाई, ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेना. इफ यू टेक द टेंशन ना, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट, बट इफ यू बी काम, definitely you will rock the exam. You will get whatever you want, right? So thank you very much. All the very best. Prep smart, be safe, go grade up. Thank you guys. Thank you.